Online learning, free courses.
So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can double your reviews in just 30 seconds. So all you need to do is, step number 1 is ask for a review. I know it sounds like, duh, but a lot of sellers don't do this. And when you don't, you're missing out on getting a review. So always ask for the buyer to leave a review, and ask them to leave a 5-star review if they enjoyed your service. And then of course you can make cute little memes like this. I know it may seem silly, but actually it does work. Now, just as a little case study, I did not go this route. I didn't make cute little memes like this and send them out, but my husband did, and he has almost twice as many reviews as I do. And I know it's funny, right? And it's like, you know, just funny little things like that, little memes. People enjoy this snackable content that is something that they like, but also you're relating it to a recent experience, and it's just kind of fun. So these little things do work, and they do help get you more reviews. So it doesn't take long. You can simply go to let's see, meme generator. There you go. It comes right up. And you know, you can go to image flip, which is where a lot of those images were from, or make a meme or meme generator, and they're all, you know, basically the same concept, and that you can just really quickly create these images, any image you want, with text over top. So that's a quick, easy way to get people to leave good reviews for you, and it just makes people kind of feel good in a moment of, oh, cool, funny little meme, and can brighten their day. So that is my 30-second hack to getting more reviews on Fiverr.